Hello everyone. Today we will see how exactly we can skip the payment option while creating an account on Google Ads. Now, before starting, let's first see what exactly Google Ad Planner is and how does it helps. Firstly, it helps to discover new search keywords, creating new search ad campaigns, helps in search engine marketing, pay per clicks, etc. Now, when you go to Google Ad Planner and create an account, you will be asked to create a campaign and a payment option will pop up. In this video, we will learn how to avoid this and directly go to Keyword Planner, free of cost. So let's get started. Go to your browser and search for Google Ad Planner. Click on the link and the Google Ad Planner page will open. Now, click on the sign in option at the top right and sign in with your Gmail account. This dialog box will open up then. Click on the new Google Ads account. You will then reach to this page. Now, here you have two options. Either you can go and select this next option and create your own account, or you can switch to expert mode. First, let me tell you what will happen if you select the next option. The Google Ad Planner will ask you certain questions and you will have to fill all the options and keep on clicking next. Now, once you will reach at the end of these options, you will get a payment option. Now to avoid this option, go back to the main page and instead of clicking on next in the footer, click to the switch to expert mode button. Once you reach here, the Google Ad Planner will allow you to create an account without a campaign. Click on create an account without a campaign. Click on submit. And congrats, you are all done. Click on explore your account. You will then reach to this place. Now you are all set for your keyword planner without adding a campaign. Click on tools and setting above. Here in the planning option, you will see a drop down. You have to click on the keyword planner. Now, if you use a different browser, you might find this option elsewhere. But click on keyword planner. Now you can discover new keywords by clicking on this box, discover new keywords.